Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for waiting. Thank you for coming all the way to our Hope to showroom.
So, very good morning. Good morning, everyone. And thank you very much for joining us on this Royal Customer Get Good Together event.
Yeah, interesting products that you have in line. So, looking forward to opportunity to get to use it.
Yeah, very nice. I learned something new about the history of the Panasonic.
Using our ventilation fan and air conditioning. So what actually it is, right, is a hydroxyl radical is a negative ion that is encapsulated by water.
Looking forward for the next event. So well organized. Well done, Panasonic.
I feel good. Thank you so much for having me for today. I very appreciate.
Thanks for the invitation, and actually we enjoyed it.